Welcome back. Today we're gonna install this media knob that I purchased on eBay. It's a nice upgrade from this in the little knob. Since I'm converted basically the car into an M series. I mean, I've got the steering wheel, which I'm gonna do a video shortly on that. I'm putting this different suspensions. I upgraded to the M3 bumper, front bumper, the M series rear bumper. So this is the little things that I'm putting on in the interior that are M. So it's actually pretty easy procedure to do. Replacement install. So just get something sharp and just kind of get in between the crease of the knob and just kind of squeeze it in there and pull, and that's it. This is it. That's what you have to do. Then grab the inner piece and then just go in. That's it. Just goes in like that, and just kind of squeeze down, make sure it's tight. Next part, since it has an adhesive at the top, you want to clean with an alcohol pad, something to clean up the dirt, since you're gonna glue it to this here. So did that, and now basically just line it up. Make sure it's nice and center. There. Just push down. And that's it. That's the whole procedure. And we have an M knob. Okay. And that's it. Thank you for watching.